Today, we'll be showing you some ways to make it easier to find journal articles, download and cite those articles, and maximize the efficiency of your research. This is the library homepage, and when beginning to conduct research, I recommend that you start with ProQuest Central, which can be found here. This is a very large interdisciplinary database that will enable you to find journal articles on a variety of subjects in almost any discipline. Today, we'll be looking at mass incarceration and some best practices for searching. While we are focusing on mass incarceration today, these techniques will work for any topic you're researching and be applied to any subject area. I'll start by entering mass incarceration into the search window. Wow, 80,000 results. That's way too many to sort through. How can we narrow down our results? First, let's use these checkboxes to limit our results to only full-text articles and only articles from peer-reviewed journals. That brings us down to about 12,000 results. This is a lot less, but it's still too many to just scroll through and read. Right now, this database is searching for all the articles with the words mass and incarceration in them. Let's add some quotation marks to our search so that the database is only searching for articles with the complete phrase mass incarceration. Now, we're down to about 3,400 results. That's not bad. Using quotation marks to make your search more specific and limiters to eliminate newspapers or articles that don't have the full text available can get you more usable search results.